Today's video is a special one. I generated the script using ChatGPT. I typed in different Patek Philippe sentences like Patek Philippe facts, Patek Philippe Nautilus, etc. and did a tiny bit of editing. Thanks for all the new subscriptions, likes and comments. For you new ones, please give the ChatGPT a 1 to 10 rating while you're down there. Will it do a decent job as a reviewer? I'd love to see your opinions. Alright, I'm Cohan and here goes the ChatGPT's attempt to tell the Patek Philippe story in 200 words, as well as a short review of the iconic and brilliant Nautilus. Patek Philippe is a Swiss luxury watch company that was founded in 1839 by Anthony Patek and Adrienne Philippe. The company has a long and rich history of producing some of the world's most beautiful and intricate timepieces. Patek Philippe quickly established itself as one of the premier watchmakers of the 19th century, creating complex pocket watches for the European nobility and wealthy patrons. In the early 20th century, the company shifted its focus to wristwatches and produced a number of innovative designs, including the first wristwatch with a perpetual calendar. Throughout its history, Patek Philippe has maintained a commitment to quality and craftsmanship, using only the finest materials and utilizing traditional watchmaking techniques passed down through generations. The company has also been a pioneer in the development of new watchmaking technologies and is known for its elegant and highly accurate timepieces. Today, Patek Philippe continues to be one of the most highly regarded watchmakers in the world and is renowned for its timeless designs and exceptional attention to detail. The company remains a family-owned business, and its watches are prized by collectors and connoisseurs alike for their beauty, reliability, and timeless style. So how did ChatGPT do so far? Let me know in the comments. Here comes the Nautilus. The Patek Philippe Nautilus is one of the most iconic and highly sought-after luxury watches in the world. It is known for its distinctive design, featuring a rounded octagonal shape, horizontal embossed lines on the dial, and the famous teak concept pattern on the bracelet. When it comes to build quality, the Nautilus is renowned for its solid construction, with a strong and durable case made of precious metals like steel, white gold, and rose gold. The bracelet and clasp are also well made, with a comfortable and secure fit on the wrist. Design. The Nautilus is known for its distinctive porthole-inspired design, which was created by famous watch designer Gerald Genter in 1976. The rounded octagonal shape of the case, combined with its integrated bracelet, gives the watch a sleek and modern appearance. Materials. The Nautilus is available in a range of materials, including stainless steel, white gold, rose gold, and two-tone combinations. The bracelet and case are made from the same material, giving the watch a cohesive look. Movement. Patek Philippe is known for its high-quality movements, and the Nautilus is no exception. Depending on the model, the Nautilus can be equipped with an in-house quartz movement or a mechanical movement with automatic winding. The watch is available in a range of models, including chronographs and dual time zone models, offering a variety of features to suit different needs and preferences. Price. As a luxury watch, the Nautilus is priced at a premium. Prices for a new Nautilus can range from $20,000 to over $100,000, depending on the materials and complications. Collectibility. The Nautilus is a highly collectible watch, and some rare models can fetch substantial prices at auction. The watch's timeless design and association with the prestigious Patek Philippe brand make it a desirable piece for collectors. Thanks for keeping track all the way to the end. Catch you in the next one, Watch Fam.